Alright, welcome back my friends. I'm going to show you how to repair a plunger tube. This is what plunger tube is for your detent, for your slide stop, and your thumb safety. If you look right here, see how it's pulling away? Right there. It's not supposed to do that. I built this when I was 21, and for some reason I must not have staked it very well. So I'm going to take this thing apart and we're going to fix it. Okay, this is a little bit of a close-up of a plunger tube. And this is the tool I'm going to be using, the Brownell's plunger tube staking tool. This is the clamp, and this is the part that does the work. Is this little chisel point, hardened point. It is replaceable, so if you want to, you wreck it, you can get a new one. Comes with a handle, a plunger tube support, like so. Supports your plunger tube, helps you hold it, or it would help you, know if you're going to crush it. And a little anvil, which fits over top of the plunger tube. So, all right, I can't remember what I paid for it. I thought it was right around 50 bucks. I'm not sure, but you can go over to Brownell's and pick one up. It's the right tool for the job. You know, when I did this, I probably couldn't afford it back in the day. 21. You know how them days are. All right, let's get back at it. Alright, taking a look at it, you can see it's getting pretty loose. Alright, I'm going to have to take out the ejector. I'll take that out and then I'll get back with you. Alright, let's take a quick look. There's two little holes. There's one there and one right there, if you could see them. I hope you can. And that's where these two parts in there of this plunger. So this is going to go in there. See, it's got tapered end, and it's just going to expand that and stake that in there. When I built this, I was 21, just learning, and it's held up pretty well. So I'm going to restake this right now. And here's the anvil. This goes over your plunger tube, keeps you from crushing it. And it has a little rod that you put in, so it'll protect you from crushing your plunger. Put it in there, see if I can get this in there. Snug it down a little bit more. There, got it in there. I'm just gonna, it comes with a little handle to tighten that down. Just gonna do a little bit. Keep moving this plunger. Make sure you're not crushing nothing. See what that does. Shouldn't take a whole lot. Yeah, it's already, bring it over here. It's already tightening this up. This side's already tight. I'm going to do a little bit more. I'm going to do this end, and we'll see what that does. Another angle, and I'm just going to stake it down a little bit more. Trying to keep my hands out of the way so you can. Just a little snug, and I'm taking it real slow. If you take it slow, you're not going to break nothing. So Pull it back up. Pull the handle out. There you go. Yep. Nice and snug. See, it's even moving the safe, so it's in there good. Alright, let's put this thing back together. Alright, there you have it. The plunger tube is restaked. You can do the same thing to install. It's a Brownell's plunger tube staking tool. £1 pound, 13.9 ounces.